Welcome back, the Sardine News. Welcome back to the channel. Never thought I'd say that, but okay. It's chapter 2 of the drone camera boat saga, adventure, project, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, the water came clean again. The tide was coming in there at the mouth. I loaded up that boat, and myself and Kasi and Clan Kasi and SP, off we went fishing and spying on these fish, see what's down there. So anyway, we've got this camera called a Go Fish Cam. They don't make them anymore, unfortunately. And it's attached to this little radio controlled boat. A bit wobbly, and it's like half underwater, but the boat's completely waterproof. And the goal of this thing is to, next time I see those game fish smashing outside the frontier, and I can't see what they are, or even out at sea, and I can't see what the fish are, this little boat's going. It's going spying. And it kind of does, as you can see with this footage here. It goes in the water, like almost underwater. This is Clan Kasi driving, Captain Kasi driving, and he's driving like a madman, round and round, left and right. But it's misproving that the boat can do it. It's not easy to go straight. Here's me trying to make the boat go straight and just do what it does best. And then here's back to Kasi. And then here's doing a shark impersonation, point of view, FPV, shark FPV. Doo-doo, 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 doo-doo. That's what a gay shark sounds like. Alright, now, moving right along. I'm not sure if those jokes are allowed anymore. I hope so. But okay, then we got that footage and we all stoked about what we saw there. And then we thought we'd just throw this camera into the hole right there where we fish normally. And yeah, there's grunter there. There's always grunter there. And they chow the sardine bait. I'm trying not to show the whole world this, but just for the sake of my little fishing business and the fact that it's going to rain soon anyway, and this will be over. But yeah, those grunter are there still. And yes, they are eating sardine bait. Easy, easy. But okay, thanks for watching. It was a magnificent fishing session with Kasi and Clan Captain Kasi and SP. I'm pretty sure we're going to go back there, and I'm pretty sure they're going to put sardine baits on this time. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's see what episode 3 of the RC drone camera boat works out to be. Ciao.